Hi, welcome to my channel Spice It Up. So today we're going to cook aloo matar, which is two simple ingredients, potatoes and peas. So let's get cooking. So let's start. We put 4 tablespoons of oil. And we're putting 2 spice spoons of cumin. Just mix it round. So we start with 2 potatoes. They weigh about a pound, and we're going to peel them and then basically make cubes, small sort of 1-inch style cubes. And then just put your potatoes in. Add in some salt. So they're nice and brown. At this point, let's put the gas off, because what we're going to do is add in some tomato puree. So I don't want that to burn, and I'd like it to go evenly. So 1 tablespoon of tomato puree, just mix it in. Lower the gas or put it off, and let's start putting in the spices. So we're going to put a spice spoon of chili, spice spoon of cumin, 1 of fennel, ginger, 1½ of turmeric. Just mix it all in. So put the gas back on, and now we're going to add in the peas. Mix those in. Now add in half a pint of water, or 7 fluid ounces. If you like it hot, then you can add in a chili. While it's boiling, just add in some fresh coriander. The dish is now ready, and we're just going to pour it into a bowl. If you want to test the potato, just use the knife, and you can see it goes through beautifully. So let's put it into a bowl now. Just add in a little bit of coriander on the top, and it's ready to serve.